Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this really cute unicorn cake on Dress to Impress. So let's get started with the video. For the plate, I used this hat from the World Cultures Day. Actually, before that, you have to go to the walks and use the fresh walk pack here and just equip it so it looks like you're holding the plate. So for the plate, we're going to go to the World Cultures area. We're going to grab this hat and we're going to color it all white. You can use any color you want for the plate, of course. Position the X to 0, Y 0, Z 0.18, rotate the X to 0.47, and scale it to 0.15. Then for the base, I use this hat in white. Position the X and Y to 0, Z 0.24, rotated the X to 0.45. And scale it the same. I used this one, by the way, in the World Cultures area. Then for the bottom flower, I used this in white in rainbow glitter for everything. If the texture doesn't apply, just color it white anyways. Position the X at 0, Y 0.13, Z at 0, rotate the X to 0.47, the Y at 0.52, Z 0.47, scale it to 0.20. Then use this headband in rainbow glitter in white as well in the first toggle. Position the X at 0, Y 0.24, Z 0.22. Rotate the X to 0.62 and the Y and Z to 0.25. Scale it to 0.63. Then for the other flower, I used this one. Wait, where is it? This one. And no spikes in white and rainbow glitter. Position the X at 0, Y 0.32, Z 0.19. Rotate the X to 0.48, Y 0.50, Z 0.54, and scale it to 0.38. Again, you can color it to whatever color you want, but this is just the color that I want, like rainbow. Then for the second layer, I use this headband in the color white. In the first toggle, position the X at 0, Y 0.38, Z 0.19, rotate the X to 0.4 and scale it to 0.26. Then I used the fur hat as well. For the second layer in white, position the X at 0, Y 0.32, Z 0.09, rotate the X to 0.46 and scale it to 0.07. Then we are going to use 3 more items: the lashes, the ears, and the horn. The horns are in VIP, but you can replace it with like a crown. So for the ears, I used these wolf ears in white and in this gold CB9124. Position the X and Z to 0, the Y at 0.38, rotate it the same and scale it to 0.25. For the lashes, I use the code lashes, of course, in the 9th toggle. Position the X at 0.03, Y 0.4, Z at 0. Rotate the Z to 0.51 and scale to 0.33. Then lastly, for the unicorn horn, it's in VIP. I colored it in the same gold as the ears, CB9124. Position the X at 0, Y 0.13, Z 0.13, rotated the X to 0.52 and scale it to 0.61. And that is your cute unicorn cake hack on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.